Telling someone that their mouth smells can be a delicate and difficult conversation to have, as it may be seen as an invasion of privacy or an insult to one's personal hygiene. However, if the smell is causing discomfort to those around them, it is important to address the issue in a kind and tactful manner. First, it is important to approach the conversation with empathy and understanding. Put yourself in the person's shoes and imagine how you would feel if someone brought this issue to your attention. Remember that it is not a personal attack on the individual, but rather a concern for their well-being and the well-being of those around them. It is also important to choose the right time and place to have the conversation. Avoid bringing up the issue in a public setting, as this may cause embarrassment or discomfort for the individual. Instead, choose a private and quiet location where the person will feel comfortable discussing the issue. When bringing up the issue, it is important to use I statements, as opposed to you statements. This allows the conversation to focus on your own experience and observation, rather than placing blame on the individual. For example, instead of saying you have bad breath, you can say I noticed that there is an odor coming from your mouth. It is also helpful to provide the person with possible causes for the smell, such as dry mouth, gum disease, or certain foods and drinks. This will help them understand the potential causes of the smell and how to address it. It is also important to provide them with some solution and advice that they can take to improve their oral hygiene and prevent the issue from happening again. For example, you can suggest they drink more water, brush and floss regularly, or use a mouthwash. It is also essential to be very sensitive and polite when addressing the issue. Avoid using harsh or judgmental language, as this will only make the person defensive and less likely to take your advice to heart. Instead, use a calm and gentle tone, and express your concern in a caring and supportive manner. It is also important to remember that everyone makes mistakes and no one is perfect. Everyone can have bad breath from time to time, and it's not a reflection of their overall hygiene or character. In conclusion, telling someone that their mouth smells can be a difficult and delicate conversation to have, but it is important to address the issue in a kind and tactful manner. Use I statements, choose the right time and place, provide possible causes and solutions, be sensitive and polite, and remember to be empathetic. With the right approach, the person will likely appreciate your concern and take steps to improve their oral hygiene.